Do you feel older than you should at 40? Low drive, brain fog, slow recovery. And has your sex drive fallen off the cliff? Most men call it aging and push through it. But here is the truth. It isn't automatically normal. And the worst part is, men suffer for years, when blood tests could have told them what's going on. Here are 5 signs that should make you go, right, I'm getting blood test. This was me. I thought it was just stress, age, life. But guessing costs you time and quality life with your loved ones. Number 1. Sex drive and performance changes. Lower libido, less interest, weaker erections. Big one that men ignore because they don't want to admit it. Loss of morning erections. If morning erection used to be common for you and now they are consistently rare, that is your body telling you something has shifted. And listen, this is not about ego. This isn't about being 21 again. This is about your baseline health. Hormone, sleep, stress, the whole system. If you notice this change and just shrug it and ignore it, you may be ignoring a problem that you can actually solve. Number 2. Energy. You are tired and you don't even know why. And it creeps in slowly. You don't wake up one day broken. You just gradually accept less energy as normal and build your life around being tired. You wake up on Monday and you feel like you need a weekend after a weekend. Like you are recovering from a recovery. And you start needing naps, especially after lunch, just to get through the day. That's not personality trait. That's not just age, that's a sign. Number 3. Recovery. You barely train, if at all. You sleep and you still feel battered. You don't bounce back. A workout wipes you out for days. A busy day crushes you for rest of the week. Now yes, recovery changes with age. But if it has fallen off the cliff, don't accept it as your new identity. You need longer gaps between doing things because your body doesn't bounce back how it used to. Again, it could be sleep, stress, nutrition. It could be hormones. But either way, the answer isn't guessing, it's checking. Number 4. Body composition and performance changes. You are softer around the middle. Strength stalls. You feel less solid even if you are still training. And this is where men start to do mental gymnastics. Maybe I need more caffeine. Maybe I need some magic supplement. Maybe I need to work even harder. No, if the foundation is off, you cannot hack your way out of it. And here is the brutal truth. Lots of men blame genetics, while it's unmeasured biology and unfixed basics. Number 5. Life feels grey. No dramatic sadness, no tears. Just flat. You wake up and you don't feel excited about anything. Your to-do list isn't hard, but your brain treats it as heavy. You sit down to start something and you just don't. And then you blame motivation, discipline, or age. You know what men tell themselves? This is adulthood. This is just being 40. This is just stress. Maybe, but if everything feels grey, it's sign worth respecting. And listen, if you can even see these symptoms and admit them to yourself, you are ahead of most men your age. A lot of men feel shame about it. They don't want to see a doctor, they tell themselves it can wait. And that's how months turn into years. And I know this because it happened to me. Here is the right flow. Symptom first. You recognize the patterns. Then the real step. Get blood test. Then take these results to a clinician and make a proper plan. You cannot fix what you don't measure. And one last thing. Getting older doesn't have to mean life of decay. You can still be sharp, active and confident and fully present in your relationships. Sometimes you just need a support and the right plan. I have put a low T check sheet in the description. The 5 signs and the blood check to ask for. And the next video I will show you how to read testosterone blood work properly, so you understand what these numbers actually mean. Quick reminder, these signs are not here to diagnose you. They just tell you it's worth checking. Work with clinician for medical decisions.